my current balance, it shows here, this is the $57. So it would be an investment of $57. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down to the market. I'm going to stake it for 1 day here, and you can see on the top 57.9. okay, this one, and then I'm gonna type in the password. After typing down the password, I'm gonna show you the results after 24 hours. The link is given under the description of this video if you want to sign up through my link. So there you go, you can see here on the top side 24 hours. Okay, so guys, this is the result. I have attained $10.6 in 1 day. Yeah, you heard it right, guys, $10.6. And you see 24 hours have been completed. Check out the time, okay, and the date. So you can also earn $10. I invested, I told you, I started with 57.9, and now I'm gonna pause this transaction here. Okay, you can check out, and I'm gonna go to the wallet here. Okay, you can see 57.9 and now 68.55 in 1 day. So so you can also earn $10 a day. Now again, I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna stake. So you can also withdraw easily, guys. So just now you can see the date. This is the date, and let's see how much. This is the amount I have staked, 68.5. So join the link given under the description and get yourself earning. Okay, here is the next result, 68.55. I told you guys that I'm going to invest this. Now how much I have earned on top of it, let me show you here. Market, go to 1 day, and you see I have earned 12.85 today, and last time I earned 10 point something, and today I earned 12. So you see how the rate of return goes up and up. So guys, that's why this is very important. Make sure sign up to the link, and you can also get huge amount of returns. Thanks for watching, guys. Over and out from Crypto Global 100.